But play it so you know.
My bitch is gay. Hit man in the top try, see a man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the track still running on Christmas Day. How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Hit man in the top try, see a man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers
Hey, listen.
I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the track still running on Christmas Day. Look, I don't mean to offend you, I'm just saying in general, this beef is gender neutral. Hit both guys and girls bisexual. Look, ain't none of these guys integral. Stop believing the lies they tell you. Time's essential, I gotta be quick with behind on schedule. Try and hit man at the side of his temple. Bro got blood, man's back, no homo. Catch man at the barber shop, his heart got stopped, don't lap your cornrows. Goes jump in the car and back up the cam and Snapchat the Lambo logo. Back then it made sense for the come up, but sense don't chill in the pan no more. Nah, why would I stress about a bitch?
Why?
When there's a billion others, I got one that's selling in bundles, saving up for Brazilian butlers. Price a week, she's switching the colours. American labels on me, I tell them I need $10 million. Vex when I check the conversion rate. Wait, this one wanna be big, I had to tell her that it don't work that way. Into the street and I heard them say that Central C got a verse from Drake. They lied if they said that they weren't afraid. Hit man in the top, try see a man topless, try do a man like Kurt Cobain. Alright, how can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Hit man in the top, try see a man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid.
Somebody save that shit and send it to me.